Students, now we start chapter number 5. The chapter name is line and angles. Now students, what is line segment? A line segment has two endpoints, right? As O and P are its two endpoints. In this word M, there are both angles and line segments are there. Students, this is a line segment. This is also line segment. This is also line segment. And this is also line segment. Student. Now, when two line segments meet at a point, it makes an angle here. Now, students, this is also an angle. This is also angle, student. Now, this angle, this is also angle. Now student, next is a line. Now student, if we extend the two endpoints in both direction endlessly, we get a line. In students, this is a line segment OP here. If we extend this line segment OP in both direction endlessly, means in दोनों लाइन साइड में लाइन सेगमेंट का कोई एंड नहीं होगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट इज रे. व्हाट इज रे स्टूडेंट? रे हैज ओनली वन पॉइंट, वन एंड पॉइंट स्टूडेंट. नाउ दिस इज द एंड पॉइंट. दिस इज एंडलेसली इंक्रीजिंग, एक्सटेंडिंग हियर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट इज एंगल. एंगल इज फॉर्म्ड बाय two lines or line segments when they meet at a point. When they meet at a point. Suppose this is a line O, OA is a line, OB is a line. They meet at point O, then it makes an angle here. Now complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that angles are called complementary angle. For example, 60 and 30, their sum is 90 degree. Therefore, they are complementary angle. Similarly, 40 and 50 also complementary angle. They are complement of each other, both angles. Now, supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. For example, 30 150, their sum is 180. 40 140, their sum is also 180 students. Adjacent angles, angles which has common vertex and common arm and non-common arms are either side of the common arm. Such as students, OA and OB are the either sides rays and OC is common arm. Angle between them, these angles are called adjacent angles, students. Now, what is the linear pair, students? Now, if these non-common arm in this adjacent angles becomes rays, make a line here, then it becomes a linear pair. Such as 1 and 2, these two angles are now adjacent angle. Their sum is now 180 degree. They are called linear pair. Now students, vertically opposite angles. If two lines cross each other, they are formed vertically opposite angles. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Students, exercise 5.1, find the complement of. Your first question is angle is here 20 degree. Now because student, if sum of two angles is 90 degree, they are called complementary angle. Now when we subtract this 20 from 90, we get its complement. Now by subtracting we get 70 degree. Now same student, in question number 2, find the supplement of 105 degree. Now students, because sum of two angle is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angle. Now when we subtract 105 from 180, we get supplement 75. Now students, in your next question, question number 3rd, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Now students, in first part, 65 and 115, their sum, by adding their sum we get 180. Students, they are supplementary angles. Now if we add these 63 and 27, we get 90 degree. They are complementary angles. Similarly, do other part yourself, students. Now in question number 4, students, find the angle which is equal to its complement. Now students, we have taken let the angle equal to x. Now its complement because equal to the angle, therefore it is also x. Now according to question, students, or sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. Therefore by adding we get 90. Students, x plus x become 2x. This 2 goes down. By cancelling we get 45. Now x is 45. The angle which is equal to its supplement. Now student, let the angle is equal to x. Therefore its supplement also equal to x. Because sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. Their sum, both angles sum is 180 degree. We get 2x. Adding these, now this 2 goes down, cancelling we get 90 degree. Now student, in question 6th, is the given figure angle 1 and 2 are supplementary angles? Yes students, because the formed linear pair, because sum of angles whose sum is 180 degree, they are linear pair angles and also supplementary angles. Question number 7, students, do yourself. In question 8, students, an angle is greater than 45 degree. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Students, because angle is greater than 45 degree means it's 50. Therefore its complementary angle become 40. Means this angle is less than 45 degree. Students, now question 9. There is a figure, student. Here is a O point. Students, in this question, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Angle 1 is here and angle 2 is here. This angle is 3, 4 and 5. Student, is angle 1 is adjacent because these angles have common vertex and common arm. Therefore they are adjacent angles. Yes student. Now is in second part, is AOC, angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. AOC angle is angle AOC and second angle is AOE. No students, it's a no because they have not common arm. Now in third, do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair? Yes student, COE angle is this, COE and EOD, they form the linear pair, student. Now in next question number part 4, are angle BOD and angle DOA are supplementary angles? Yes students, they are also supplementary angles. Which angles? BOD and DOA. BOD angle is BOD and DOA. They form the linear pair. They are supplementary angles, student. Now in question 5th, part 5th, angle 1 vertically opposite to 4. Angle 1 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. So yes student, vertically opposite. What is vertically? Next part, sixth part में है, what is vertically opposite angle of angle 5. Angle 5 is here. Its vertically opposite angle is sum of these two angles. Means in sixth part, its angle 5 vertically opposite angle is angle 2 plus angle 3. Their sum, student. Now in question 10th, student, here is a figure. In this figure, you have to tell vertically opposite angle. Which are vertically opposite angle? Angle 1 and 4. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. Now student, and angle 1 and 4 are vertically opposite angles, and angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3, they are vertically opposite angles. Now student, in second part, linear pair, which are linear pair? Angle 1 and 5 are linear pair. Form the linear pair. Angle 1 and 5 and angle 1 and 5 and angle 4 and 5 and angle 4 and angle 5. 4 and 5 also form the linear pair, student. They are linear pair angles. Now students, in question number 11, there is a figure here, students. Is angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2? What is the definition of adjacent angle, students? Angles having common vertex and common arm. Students, this angle has common arm तो है इस angle की, but there is no common vertex because these two different vertices are there, therefore they are not adjacent angles.